Santa Claus dropped something off. Such a good deal, he couldn't resist. Got some 10W30. Some 12-volt charge cables, spark plug, spark plug socket. There's a big kahuna itself. Alright. 2000 watt. I'm gonna have to open this up and get some oil in this sucker. Alright. Scoot it up, pull that off. Comes with some oil. The generator ships without oil. Everything I've seen in the internet videos says that the oil that this comes with is not enough to fill it up properly. So your best bet is to get another container of 10W30. This isn't even full all the way, so that's kind of squishy. Fit on there? Maybe. Oil filler's right there. Dipstick. That's all that was in there. Alright, let's get some fuel in there. I got some oil in there. I put everything that was in the little bottle in there, and then I put a tiny bit of 1030 synthetic just to get the oil level high. A lot of the internet videos say that you want the oil level a little higher than what the dipstick says. I'm just going to put a splash in here. This fuel's already got some fuel stabilizer in there, so not going to go nuts, we're just going to test it out here. In there. And you're supposed to prime it until you see lots of fuel coming through the, don't forget to turn the fuel valve on. Just watch that fuel filter there. Fuel's coming in it now. I'm going to try and get rid of most of the air that's in there. Apparently you can't overdo this, so give it a few extra. We're going to pop this guy back on.
I guess I didn't have enough gas in it. Anyway, that's the economy mode right now. So that's the economy mode. This is engine on and off. AC breaker. There's a DC breaker. That's your DC output right there. Optional ground wire. Fuel filler. It's pretty quiet. Choke. There you go. 2,000 watt Hyundai generator. So I just shut off the fuel valve. It's always better to drain the carburetor when you're putting something away with a gas motor. Running out of fuel slowly. There we go. Turn the engine switch off anyhow.